The following segment is sponsored by For Life. All right, everybody, there's a groundbreaking discovery in immune support. For Life is changing the game with the first ever plant-based transfer factors. Dr. Vollmer is here to tell us all about it, explain it. Welcome to the show. So we'll start with that, Dr. Vollmer. What is transfer factor? Where historically has it come from?
Yeah, so transfer factors are small bioactive peptides.
Okay.
They are made by our immune system. They're there to help our immune system as we encounter health threats from day to day. And they were discovered in the 1940s by an immunologist named Dr. Sherwood Lawrence. And what he found is that if someone was exposed to an illness, that they would develop these transfer factors that would help support that person to fight against that illness, and that could be transferred from one person to another, so the other person would be protected from that illness.
Really?
And
so we're more connected than we even realize.
Yeah, exactly. And so this was 80 years worth of research in the 80s. It happened to the discovery in colostrum. So we went from a blood-based therapy into colostrum. Colostrum, of course, is mother's first milk,
yeah.
to impart
it's the best stuff for the baby.
Immune benefits to baby, and so it makes sense that it would be there. And we utilized all of that research and leverage it into an ingredient and a product that we founded For Life on called transfer factor.
Love it, and love that it's natural. Let's talk about the discovery of the plant-based transfer factor. Tell us about the exciting process and development for this science.
Yeah, and it really goes back to the beginning of the company. We've spent many years developing the research, the science, clinical studies on transfer factor, and we leverage that to ask this question: is transfer factor in other sources? So, for instance, is it in plants?
Yeah.
So up to a few years ago, it was only found in mammals.
And in the plant, where is it exactly found?
Yeah, that's a great question, because as we interrogated all the different plants, and there's 500,000 different plant species around the world, we had to find a lab who could do the testing, but also had access to these different plant species. And so we found that lab, had tens of thousands of different plants, and we were able to discover transfer factors in plants.
Gotcha. Now, For Life has got this in development. What's the future of this product and this development that you're working on?
Yeah, the future is really exciting because it opens up this whole new world. Of course, everybody is interested in plant-based diets, so
Totally.
Plant-based is very important right now. And we can leverage all the research that we've done over the years to now create this wonderful, great product that is a plant-based transfer factor.
Well, garbage in, garbage out. When you put the natural in, you get that natural result out.
Exactly.
The body is amazing to heal itself, and you've got great products and services. Where can we go for more information?
Yeah, so probably the easiest place to go is forlife.com. That's where you can see all of the different products that we have. We're also on Amazon. You can sign up as what we call a preferred customer and get a good discount on the products. So there's many ways to get transfer factor products.
If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. With Dr. I am in the right room. Thank you so much. Chief Scientific Officer
you.
of For Life.
Yep.
Appreciate you being on the show.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.